Looking to spruce up your home without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. I'm excited to share some of my favorite budget-friendly DIY home decor ideas. Whether you're looking to refresh a single room or give your entire house a makeover, we've got you covered. With a little creativity and some elbow grease, you can transform your space into something truly special. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with DIY wall art. Creating your own artwork is a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your home without spending a fortune. One of my favorite ways to create budget-friendly wall art is by using a blank canvas, some acrylic paints, and a few stencils. You can find stencils at your local craft store in a wide variety of patterns and designs. Start by choosing a color palette that complements your existing decor. Once you've selected your colors, tape your stencil onto the canvas and use a foam brush to apply the paint. If you're feeling adventurous, try layering different stencils and colors for a more intricate design. You can also add texture by using a palette knife to apply the paint in thick impasto strokes. Once your paint is dry, carefully peel off the stencil to reveal your masterpiece. Consider framing it with a simple wood frame or mounting it on a wooden board. DIY wall art is a wonderful way to personalize your space and showcase your unique style. Y'all know I love a good upcycling project. There's something so satisfying about taking a piece of furniture that's seen better days and giving it a new lease on life. One of the easiest ways to transform old furniture is with a fresh coat of paint. Don't be afraid to go bold with color. A vibrant hue can instantly brighten up a room and give a tired piece a modern edge. Before you start painting, be sure to clean your furniture thoroughly and sand down any rough edges. If you're working with wood furniture, you may need to apply a primer before painting to ensure the paint adheres properly. Once your primer is dry, use a high-quality paintbrush and apply the paint in thin, even coats, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. To add extra charm and character, consider distressing your furniture after painting by lightly sanding the edges and corners. Upcycled furniture is a testament to the beauty of imperfection. Each piece tells a story and adds a touch of history and soul to your home. Let's talk about adding some comfort and warmth to your home with handmade throw pillows. This is such an easy and affordable way to inject color, pattern, and personality into your living spaces. One of my favorite things about sewing throw pillows is that you can use fabric scraps or old clothing that you might otherwise discard. It's a wonderful way to give new life to beloved textiles and create something truly unique. If you're new to sewing, don't worry. Throw pillows are a great beginner project. You can find simple pillow patterns online or in sewing books. All you need is some basic sewing supplies like fabric scissors, a sewing machine, and thread. Once you've chosen your fabric and cut out your pattern pieces, pin the fabric together and sew along the edges, leaving an opening for stuffing. Turn the pillowcase right side out and stuff it with pillow filling. For a professional finish, use a ladder stitch to close the opening. Handmade throw pillows are a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your home and create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Y'all know I love a good mason jar. They're so versatile and can be used for everything from canning to crafting. One of my favorite ways to use mason jars is for organizing. Mason jars make fantastic organizers for the kitchen, bathroom, office, and really any room in the house. They're inexpensive, readily available, and add a touch of rustic charm to any space. To create a set of mason jar organizers, simply gather a few jars in various sizes. You can leave them plain or decorate them with paint, twine, or fabric scraps. For a farmhouse-inspired look, try painting your jars with chalk paint and then sanding the edges for a distressed finish. You can also add labels to your jars using chalkboard paint or adhesive vinyl lettering. Use your mason jar organizers to store everything from cotton balls and Q-tips in the bathroom to pens and pencils in the office. They're also great for storing dry goods in the kitchen, like rice, beans, and pasta. Mason jar organizers are a practical and stylish way to keep your home tidy and organized. Bringing a touch of nature indoors is a wonderful way to brighten up your home and create a sense of tranquility. And what better way to do that than with DIY planters? You can create your own unique planters using a variety of materials, from tin cans and old teapots to wooden crates and vintage baskets. One of my favorite ways to create DIY planters is by upcycling old tin cans. Simply remove the labels, wash them thoroughly, and then decorate them with paint, washi tape, or fabric scraps. You can also use old teapots, teacups, or even vintage colanders as planters. Just make sure to drill drainage holes in the bottom if they don't already have them. For a more rustic look, try using wooden crates or baskets as planters. DIY planters are a fun and affordable way to add a touch of greenery to your home and showcase your personal style. Thanks for watching. If you loved these budget-friendly DIY home decor ideas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Happy decorating! Remember, creating a beautiful and inviting home doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity and some DIY spirit, you can transform your space into something truly special. Share your own DIY projects in the comments below. We'd love to see your creativity.